Hi guys, this is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is chayotte soup, sayur labu, kuah santan with coconut milk. This is to accompany our beef curry and rice during our Eid celebration. I made this for our Eid celebration 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, but only now I can edit the videos. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So we're gonna peel chayotte skin, about 4 chayottes with our peeler. I also have a bag of green bean. That we're just gonna slice. Nothing too fancy, we're just gonna remove the ends of the green beans, this and that. As you know, that green beans is also called as string beans. In Indonesia, when we remove it, we don't really chop it off, but we remove tiny bit and then we're gonna, oopsie daisy, I removed them all. We're gonna, let me see, because I am using only one hand, 1 second. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. We remove tiny bit and then we pull it. Do you see at the end? We're gonna pull it, the string. And I chopped it off again. This is gonna make a nice blooper, but I'm just gonna add this into the video. So this is what I want to show you. You kind of chop off the ending, just slice tiny bit and pull it because there's the string that we want to remove. As for the chayotte, you just want to slice them finger lengthwise like this. So we're gonna melt 1 tablespoon of butter and saute 4 garlic that you thinly sliced until fragrant. Now we're gonna add in our sliced veggies and just kind of saute for a minute or 2 before we add in the liquid. This is just a simple lodeh. Normally I would add candle nut, onion and whatnot, but this is only garlic. I'm too lazy. I'm a lazy mama. 1 can of coconut and 2 cans of water, or enough water to cover the veggies. And we're gonna boil this until veggies are tender before we add in our eggs. Season. This is chicken bouillon powder, about 2 tablespoons. You can add turmeric powder too, so your soup wouldn't be as pale as mine if you like, but I like it as is. Now that the veggies are tender, we can add in our boiled eggs and continue cooking for another 5 to 8 minutes.